사물리트슬레 드링어컬센스 드링 Kyurze Momo say Hallo miteinander, heute koche ich Berg Lauch Momo. Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook Chives Momo because it has grown too much near my house, so thought to cook Chives Momo. Cause na yegi nang sa la Kyurze Momo kishara washini yegi samsutri Kyurze Momo se osamso. Yeah, as a so viel Berg Lauch nähe zu meinem Haus. Und dann habe ich gedacht, koche ich heute Berg Lauch Momo. Stay tuned. Viel Spaß. Zur New Year. Rewaye. Samala. Kesi round so the channel da sawa inarwa. Ani round so subscribe chiye to machi chi khasna jela nyegi yangya nyegi video ludu in round so kaptu video the kaptu kran so daire. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss out my videos. Take care. Here in Switzerland, this is called mountain garlic, but this is also a family of chives leaf. So it is a bit of thick and short. Yeah, the Swiss Larani, the Kyurze de Tischi Kyurze Chinjinche ani Mama de Tischi Topudo Chere in a di Kyurze gi the Chikpadore Toa the Tama. Try 100 gram mehl, 300 grams flour, grams sumgya, tushikawu, ra. Salz, salt, 150 ml Wasser, 150 ml of water, gadang up 2 ml chulura, and mix yakuchinchi. Good mischen, mix it well. Cut the chives leaf. You can cut it a little finer, but I'm not cutting it very fine. Sichern ein bisschen mehr schneiden, aber ich schneide nicht so viel. Kesiran so tubna bet ship tubna dure na nga bet ship tubme. Put this in the mince meat. Add a 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 100 ml of water to get soup in momo. Mix it well. Good mixture. Mix the yakuchinchi. Elmalu. Add a pepper. A bit of pepper. And mix it again. Put the water in the steamer and on the steamer while you're making a dough. You have to take a big ball of dough and try to make a small round ball. Now start making a round shape, flat. The side has to be thinner and center has to be a little thicker so that the momo doesn't break later. So the pressure has to be given more on the side, and everything is ready. Now fill the momo with the mixture, and I'm trying to show you 4 to 5 different kind of shapes how you can make it, but whichever is easier for you, you can use that. This is especially for restaurant momo shape, and this is also for a restaurant. We need practice. And this shape is for soup momo. We normally use this shape for soup momo. Yeah, oil the steamer so that it doesn't stick. I've already added oil and then put everything inside. This is ravioli, I think the Italian they call it. This is very easy to make, so you can also make like that. And this one is the same restaurant shape again. I'm showing restaurant momo shape. Now full, and the steamer is full, water is boiling there, and then put the momo on the steamer and leave it for 20 minutes. Cook for 20 minutes. Close the lid. Now the momo is ready. Yay! Always take the momo like this way so that it doesn't break and soup will not go away. Be gentle. Salad you can add how you like, and chili sauce is ready. I will give the recipe in the link below later how to make chili sauce. Yay! Now the momo is ready to serve. Always eat momo with hands. Most of the Westerners they eat momo with fork and knife, so all the soups go away. So better to eat with the hands and bite the tips and squeeze the soup. It is very tasty. Buon appetito, good appetit, Shalang Bunango. Enjoy the meals, take care, and see you next time. Momo nyamdola rani nga moktu da shapalgese and digi link the description box nala there. And I'm also going to cook with momo. I'm going to cook shapale and soup momo, which I'm going to put the link in the description box. You can watch it later. Ja, mit Momo ich koche auch Schapale und Suppe Momo. Das Link teile ich im Beschreibungsfeld. Sie können das nachher schauen, wenn Sie wollen. Ciao, cheers, bye, take care. Take care.